Hey guys, welcome to BOSH TV.
We're here with Tom Hunt, who's going to be cooking up a wonderful British pearl barley and root vegetable stew.
Okay, so the first step of the recipe is to make our sauce with onions, celery, herbs, smoked paprika and ground coriander. Saute the onions and spices for 5 minutes and then we're going to add our passata and water. I'm Tom Hunt, an eco-chef and food writer who has a keen focus in food sustainability. I've designed this special recipe with Bowl Foods for Action Against Hunger, who are dedicated to ensuring all children have access to the nutrition they need. Okay, so while the sauce is simmering, we're going to put our griddle pan on the heat and cook our char-grilled vegetables. So like in our Bowl Foods recipe, we're using wonky carrots, British parsnips and red onions. Stir them in the pan until they're charred on all sides, even a touch burnt, which is going to give us a real depth of flavour. Turn off the heat, pop a lid on and let them cook through in their residual heat for 5 to 10 minutes. Now the char-grilled veg are ready, they're going to go into our sauce. Last things to go in are our British pearl barley, mixed beans and parsley stalks. Finish stirring everything together and then give it a season to taste. So to finish the stew, we're going to top it with some toasted seeds and parsley to make it look super posh. Now let's see what the BOSH guys think.
I mean, that looks wonderful and so healthy.
Oh, flavours are amazing. Well done, man.
I'm super excited about this recipe because it's to raise money for Action Against Hunger. So 10p from every pot will go to the charity.